Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy image text. So before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you. I have a picture with me. This one. So I want just text from this picture. So what you have to do is now go ahead and search over here one note and just open this one. Now what you have to do is just hit over here insert and pictures. Select your picture. Click over here and hit insert. Now what you have to do is just right click and copy text from image. Click over here and just click over this new plus option and just paste over here. You can use Ctrl plus V. And as you can see, it's text over here. You can copy this text, and for showing you, Ctrl plus V, and as you can see over here, it's text. So guys, that's what I want to show you. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below if you have any question, and also I have given the links of my social media in the comment or in the description, and also do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, see you next time. Peace out. Bye friends.